This is the solution to WEX 380. What is the domain of f? Okay, well it's the union of all these. So it's the union of all of those. So it looks like this. -2, including -2 to 5, and not including 5. Then union 10 to 20. Union 33 to infinity. So that's what it looks like in interval notation. And as a plot, it would look like, so including -2 to 5, not including 5, and then a gap, not including 10, but everything, or 20, but everything between 10 and 20 is there, and then a gap to 33 and onward. Now, of course, those, that's not to scale, but that's more or less what it looks like. 3 separate pieces, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so f evaluated at -2. To do that, these clauses are numbered 1, 2, 3. So that uses clause number 1. So using clause number 1, that would be -2 squared plus 3 multiplied by -2 minus 8. So that would be 4 minus 6 minus 8. So that's 4 minus 14, so that's -10. For 3, that's in there. So again, that would be clause 1. Using clause 1, plug in 3, so that would be 3 squared plus 3 multiplied by 3 minus 8. So that would be 9 plus 9 minus 8. So that would be 18 minus 8 is 10. F evaluated at 5. Well, 5 is not, doesn't match the first clause, it doesn't match the second, it doesn't match the third. So this is undefined. Alright. F evaluated at 18. Okay, so not the first clause, yes, the second clause, right? Which is to say between 10 and 20. So the second clause, so that gives, we'll need to use that, so, well, there's nothing to evaluate, it's just 1, 3, 1, 4. Alright, so F evaluated at 29. Again, this is undefined. And then F evaluated at 50, that would be the third clause. That would be the third clause, because the input's more than 33. So that would be 20 multiplied by 50 minus 18. So that's, well, that'd be 10 and then 2 zeros, so that'd be 1,000 minus 18. So that'd be 982. And again, just to sort of lay it out, what was done here is that the domain looks like this. So -2 to 5, and then 10 to 20, and then 33 onward. The domain of definition of the function is only in here. So what was asked about is you were asked about this point, that point. So you were able to answer that, do something with that, you were able to do something with that. Then you were asked about that point, but that point's not there, so you can't do anything. Then you were asked about this point right here, 18, so yeah, you could answer that. Then you were asked about 29, which is right here, so you couldn't answer, it's undefined there. Then finally you were asked about 50, which is here-ish, and you were able to make an answer, make a response.